Hey guys, what's up? It's Luis Urbieta here from home. And look what I have right here. It is a driven garbage truck, rear loader garbage truck. I'm going to show you guys just my opinion on this garbage truck. It's not going to be a long video, but I'm going to show you what I mean by an imperative video. So let's show you. Up front, you do have your your headlights. Now I am gonna zonk them though, and the reason is they're not functional. I wish Driven could have added some LEDs to this area here, but in the bottom, these are functional lights. You do have two of them on both sides. You do have your. As we go right there, you do have some venting there to help with the engine and whatnot. And look at the amount of gray they did. And the license plate. These vents are also functional. Now I am gonna zonk these right here. Why did they make fake fog lights? So that's a missed opportunity by Driven. Now check out the interior. I showed you guys how it works and all that. I love the visor. Love the visor. It's cool that they added a visor, because without this would have been just a boring piece of machine. Now, check out these tires. I wish right here they would have painted the same right here. It's just too much gloss black right here. Look at the steps. And that looks cool. That looks super cool. That rigid area here. I wish they would have added something here for those vents. The broom. It looks good, but I think at this magnitude, they could have added more like a high quality thing right there. High quality broom right there. And you do have an opening tailgate, which I'm going to show you. And look at there. The amount of room is so insane. Compare that to a Brooder. Compare that to a Tonka. You get a lot more room for your recycled goods in there. And I already showed you guys the inside on this side. And look at those lights. They're cool. Really good job they've put by Driven. And that, look at that compartment. Doesn't stay open. That looks cool. That looks cool. So let me know what you guys think about this garbage truck. I think Driven did a bang up job, and I'm gonna zonk these something though. Nothing's perfect. Why did they just tempo these lights there. That, to me, according to the DOT and these right here, that is a major zonk about this on this. And really wish Driven could have made the lights, the back lights, more functional. So that's a zonk in right here. And I've shown you how it works, the functionality. So this has been an amazing garbage truck. Now, I want to thank my sister Sandra for a cool garbage truck. Thank you, Sandra. You are an amazing sister. And hope you guys really enjoyed this video. If you want to see more content like this, let me know in the comments below. If you want more footage on this, doing runs, feel free to comment below. And as always, I'll see you on the next review.